Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Before starting with the video, Happy New Year and have a great year ahead. In this video you'll learn to make a wall hanging, and for that I'm using newspaper. So I really hope that you're going to like this video, and if you do subscribe to my channel. So the first step is to make 6 paper tubes from newspaper. Make sure all of the paper tubes are of equal length. And now I'm going to paint these paper tubes with brown acrylic color. Arrange these paper tubes in this way and then secure it at place using hot glue gun or Fevicol. Keep this frame aside, and now we will be making flowers using craft paper. And then on green color craft paper, make leaves and cut it with the help of scissors. Now arrange flowers on frame. We can also make paper ribbons using craft paper. Paste these paper ribbons and leaves on flowers and frame. And now paste flowers on this frame using Fevicol. I'm also cutting paper ribbons from yellow craft paper to give highlight of yellow color to this wall hanging. And for the other side of the wall hanging, I had made this flower, and this is how we are going to make it. So we are going to make petals of this flower in 3 different sizes and then secure it at place using Fevicol. To mount this wall hanging on wall, I am using transparent thread. Make a loop of transparent thread and then secure it at place with hot glue gun. You can use Fevicol as well, but it's just that it will take a longer time to get dry. So this completes my video. I hope you will try this, and if you do share pictures with me on my Instagram account or on my email ID. Link will be in the description box. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel, do hit notification bell icon, and do like and share my videos.